Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to stop MS Word from selecting more. So to stop Word auto selection, we try to select this. So we can see now it's select more space. So to step auto selection, file and options, then click on advanced, and here you will see the one setting when selecting automatically select entire word. So unselect this setting, then click on OK. Now you can select exact word or paragraph or letter. Easily. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. Just you make this setting, file, options, and in the advanced unselect this. When selecting automatically select entire word. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.